Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you some tips about how to paint pet fur. So you can easily understand how to use these techniques in your watercolor pet portrait painting. First one is creating soft short hair texture. I use this watercolor technique, painted short fur of this border colony face. To do this, we need work wet on wet. First, wet the paper with clean water, and then wait the paper absorb some water into it. While the paper is still damp, but no shine, then make the painting. To check whether the paper is still shine, you can hold the paper up to night source to see if there is any reflection. At this time, we begin to painting, but two different painting effects are produced depending on the amount of water on the brush. When the brush holds a certain degree of moisture with color, we can painting a fluffy hair. This technique often used to painting a fluffy dog breed, Alaskan Malamute for example. Now, adapt the brush on a towel. You can see it became soft but splat hair effect. I applied this painting technique for border colony. I load up dark mixture and smash my brush down on my palette, making the tip of bristles separating effect. This technique is work efficiency to get the soft but splat hair texture. Second one, use non-slender brush stroke for long hair pet. This painting technique is similar with the last one, but it also on damp paper, but I switched to grab a long hair brush for it. When making the brush stroke for long hair, the angle between the brush and the paper is almost 60 to 90 degrees. Raise your waist to control the breath. Use tip bristle make the wispy brush stroke and painting along the direction of the hair in the picture. If the brush is too tilted and the pressure is too heavy, it will produce thin and flat brush strokes. I use this painting technique painted this long-hair cat. You can watch this video in my channel. Number 3. Wet and dry. I often use this technique to show the details of short hair pet fur close to the skin, such as the horse, the black Labrador. It works on the previous layer that is completely dry. Since the paper is dry, the brush stroke can create a clear and visible hair effect on the paper. I often spreading out my brush on the palette and painting out the defined hairs. This method is convenient. You can turn the brush direction to draw the direction of the hair. This technique can also be used to paint some pets with hard fur, such as this guinea pig. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to learn more about pet portrait painting, check out these videos and I'll see you in the next one.